In this walkthrough, you will learn how to Azure Resources in Azure Portal for translating documents. First, we will go to Azure Portal where you view all your Azure resources. Let us create a resource and type storage account in the search bar. This is required for translating documents. You will see a storage account card appear, select that, and click Create. Fill in all the required details under Basics tab and click Review. After the resource is created, navigate to Containers on the left pane. Let us click plus container on the top and create a source container. The source container will be used to store your original documents. Similarly, let us create a target container which will be used to store translated documents. Once the containers are created, click the three dots and select Container Properties. On the Properties page, we see an URL. This points to the location of the source container. Copy that URL and paste in your notes. This will be required when you want to run Power Automate flows or when you want to visit the storage account and view your original and translated documents. Check out the documentation to learn how to add managed identities as well as how to create Power Automate flow to translate documents.